Have you ever wanted to preview how your pages will appear in Google search results prior to making any SEO optimizations? Well, we created SERPPreviewTool.com to do exactly that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is SERPPreviewTool.com. This is a lightweight website that you could use to see how your search results will appear in Google search for both mobile and desktop views. So to start, you need to first enter the search query that you're optimizing for. I'm going to put down SMS marketing tool. So you could see now this search term appears in this preview window right here. This search query will also highlight matching keywords in your page title and description. So you could manually add your own page title here, URL, and meta description. Or if you already have a live page, you can copy the URL, paste it right here, and have the tool fetch it. And this will automatically pull in the page's title, the URL, and also its meta description. So you could see it on the preview on the right-hand side and also on the left-hand side right here as well. So what you want to do here is analyze how your search results will appear and make sure nothing is too long or too short, and also make sure you are targeting your search query properly. There are some helpful optimization tips here as well, so you can make sure your page title is the correct length, including your meta description. So for this page, both are good. Now we can also see the optimization score. So it's currently scoring 49, which is on the lower side. And that's because this page is missing tons of things. So here you could use this list to audit your pages. So we need to make sure the keyword is in our title. Also make sure that it's in the beginning of our title. And it looks like the tool found some duplicate words. And unfortunately, there is no call to action. So we could use this kind of like a checklist and either manually update our metadata here, or we could get AI suggestions. So this will optimize the title and description for SEO and readability using AI. So let's try that right now. Okay, so the AI provided us with a suggested title and also a description. So we could accept each one at a time if we want to, or accept everything. So I'm going to accept all. So now we can automatically see the optimization score instantly jump up. The only thing we need to tweak is make the description a little longer. But taking a look at what it generated, sent discounts, transactional updates, and customer service messages with SMS marketing tools, I think this looks pretty good already, so we can keep it as is. Now, if you don't like what the AI suggests, you could always click on this button again, and it'll provide you with new titles and descriptions. So now you could see a brand new suggested title and description. So if you like, you could switch it out with these brand new suggestions. But I think this looks pretty good already. So in terms of mobile, you could see how everything looks like on mobile. And we could even take this one step further by turning on the date prefix if we want to. So now we could see the date just before the meta description. And we also have the option to change the rich snippet type. So if this page is a review, maybe we want to turn on the star rating rich snippet. We can select the specific rating and review count right here, and we'll be able to see the star rating in the preview like this. Now, what's also cool is that if you like how this schema looks like, you could actually copy this to your clipboard or download the JSON file. And then from there, you can paste it onto the back end of this specific page. So the schema can actually show up in Google search results. You also have the option to export this preview as a JSON file. And maybe later, if you want to pull up all of these SERP settings again, you can import the JSON file here as well. And if you're working with a team or with clients, you could actually share this link here so people can view this exact SERP preview as well. You also have the option to save this as a PDF and also a PNG file. So now with this simple tool, you have the opportunity to properly optimize your page's metadata, tweak things around, and make sure they look exactly how you want them to in the Google search results prior to actually implementing them on your website. So click the link in the description to try it out right now, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks.